Hey guys, Chelsea here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing, I think it's going to be a chatty type get ready with me video. And then I'm going to also be giving you some updates on my life, things that's going to be going on that you guys can expect from me. And then we're just going to be getting glam. So if that's something that you're interested in, then keep watching. And let's just go ahead and get into the video. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and just cleanse my face just a little bit. What I like to do sometimes is just take a napkin and then I use this Dickinson's toner. This toner is pretty good. It's a pore perfecting toner and I use it daily. Every time like I wash my face, I use this product, and then I also use it like before my makeup, and even on my clients, I've gotten into using it because it just helps the skin lay like a lot smoother. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And yeah, I'm going to put my scarf on because, you know, we got to protect the lace. So I'll be right back once I finish that. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm going to go in with my Laneige lip sleeping mask. Also, you guys, if you're going to be purchasing anything from the VIB sale, make sure that you check this Laneige lip sleeping mask, whatever, girl. It's bomb. I use it during the day. You're supposed to use it, I guess, at night because it's a night mask. But your girl uses it all day, so don't even worry about that. The next thing I'm going to go into is with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is like one of my favorite primers. It's so bomb. It makes your skin look super smooth and just, I like that. I think today we're going to be going for a glowy makeup look. So that's what we're going to be going for today. And actually lately, yesterday I tried doing something different. Y'all know if you've been watching my videos for a while that I do my brows first. Yesterday I tried something different and I did them last. And I actually like the way they turned out. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just go in with my Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This brow setter is so bomb. That's another thing that you should pick up in the VIB sale if you're going to be participating in the fun, honey. If you're gonna be getting you some new makeup, then definitely check this out as well. I'm gonna just set my brows before I do anything else to my face, just so that by the time that I'm ready to like get started on the brows, they'll be ready to go. What has been going on with your girl? So I'm going to be starting a lash brand. I know I mentioned it like a little bit in my last tutorial, but I'm going to show you the product. Well, I'm going to show you a pair of the lashes that I'll be wearing today in this video featuring my new lash collection. So I'm coming out with that. And the next thing that I've just been doing is just getting adjusted to, I don't know, like I guess getting adjusted to adult life. Like, of course, I'm an adult and I realize that I'm grown, but it's just the fact of like having to deal with real life responsibilities, girl. Like real life responsibilities. I'm 25, and you know, you just think about how you want your life to be, and then how you plan on achieving your goals, things like that. Like that has been on my mind heavy. I don't know about y'all, but I literally be thinking about it every day. Right now, what I'm doing is just applying just a light amount of the Laura Mercier setting powder under my base. Well, on top of my primer. I still don't know what look we're going to be doing today. So I'm just going with the flow. But I know I have been noticing that I've been having some creasing. So this is the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. And I'm going to go on top with that. So this is just going to be like a little chit chat, get ready with me. I think I'm going to do a 2-in-1. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be wearing as well. Don't hold me to it though. If you don't see me post, if you don't see me insert a clip of like what I would wear, then just forget I even said it, girl. Yeah, I'm just going in with that foundation and I'm applying it using just this Real Technique brush that I have. It's pretty old. You can use really any kind of flat brush to just apply your foundation. But you guys, let me know what kind of content you guys will want to see from me, because I want to start. I'm just taking a flat kabuki brush. This is the Sigma flat kabuki brush. It is an older brush and it is dirty, so don't be like me. But I'm just taking this brush to blend out my foundation, and I know that the foundation will lay a lot smoother if you clean your brushes. But girl, I'm hard-headed. We just gotta do what we gotta do. Okay. But yeah, so that has been going on with me. I'm starting a lash line, so that's exciting. I'm excited about it. The release date, I don't know. when it's going to be just yet, because I have to get a lot more things like in order and things like that. So it's coming soon. Hopefully before the year is out, we'll be able to get started. But in the meantime, I've just been working. If you don't know, I live in Atlanta, so I do makeup here too. And I enjoy doing makeup. I enjoy making other people look beautiful, feel beautiful about themselves. It's just something I truly enjoy. But my passion is like producing content. Like, that's my passion. Sometimes, you know how sometimes you talk yourself out of doing stuff and you can get a little unmotivated, and that's what I've been struggling with lately, and I know it happens to the best of us. So lately I've just been trying to create habits that'll just push me to push me to stay focused and keep pursuing my dreams. Because don't give up, girl. I feel like the moment that you decide that you're just gonna give up is the moment your next breakthrough could have happened. So that's what I'm trying to keep in mind, like whenever I feel like I am tired, because work is still work, and now my passion has turned into work as well with doing makeup. So it can be a lot. It can be a lot. And I want to start opening up to you guys and start doing vlogs so that you can get to know me a lot better. That way you guys can feel connected to me as well. And I think that'll help with the growth of my channel too, because you want to feel like that person. Like when I watch like Brianna or Leah's face, or Kyra's videos, like I feel like you these people because they just make you feel like you're a part of their journey, So I want you guys to feel like y'all are a part of my journey, because it is gonna be a journey, girl. It's only up from here, okay? And yeah. I live in Atlanta. If you did not know, girl, I live here in Atlanta. And if you need your face done, if you need your face beat, you can DM me at Beats by Chels. And yeah, and let me beat your face, girl. But yeah, so it's gonna be really busy, especially because the holidays are coming up. People are gonna be doing stuff pretty much every weekend, I feel like, from here on out, because I started doing makeup last year. That's when I started like taking it seriously, last December. So yeah, I expect it to be next few months to be really, really nice. So you've been following me on Instagram. I'm still active on there as well. I'm not posting as much because I don't know about y'all, but like, first of all, Instagram can be a lot. And then two, I'm not into like the dramatic looks anymore. And so when my Instagram started to grow, that's what I was really like getting noticed for, is for dramatic looks. And I'm like, is it okay? Am I allowed to switch it up? Like, yeah, that can get a little bit boring, but who really trying to go out and have like a full on dramatic beat? Like, that's just not me anymore, and it really wasn't me then, to be honest. I was just doing it because I was good at it, and I liked creating. It's the creating portion. It was the creating portion that really drew me to like doing dramatic looks. But now, girl, if you just followed me, I'm going to be redoing my page and all of that, because I just want to start over, and starting over is perfectly fine. Like, this, I'm not intending on this being like a motivational video. This is really just like a life update, what I'm doing, and all of that. But if you have something going on and something that you're truly passionate about, sis, go after it. Like, don't even look back. Don't look twice. Don't think twice. Don't listen to anybody that's discouraging you or telling you that you can't do it. You push through and you get it done. So now I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I haven't used this product in so long. It's been like forever. But yeah, you push through and you keep going, no matter what, your current circumstance may look like. Like, you keep going, because it's going to pay off. That hard work is going to pay off. And I forgot to mention that this is in the this is in the shade Tan Sand. So I just like to apply it. And I'm going to let it dry down just a little bit. But the Tarte Shape Tape, it dries fast, so don't let it dry too long. Chit Chat, get ready with me. But maybe all over the place, because I need to get accustomed to doing them a lot more. Because this is something I truly want to do. I want to be able to encourage you guys and just, be more personal, but not too personal, because I'm a very private person, so it's hard for me to be just open. And if you can relate to that, comment below. Like, I'm the nicest person, but I feel like it's so hard for me to just open up. Like, I'm like, I don't know if I should say this, or I don't know if I should do this. So yeah, so that's something that this is training me to do, you know, to be a lot more just open and just be, you know, just be me, really. If you hear anything in the background, I have a little puppy. His name is Milo. And Lord have mercy, when I tell you, Milo be giving me a run for my money. He gives me a run for my money, okay? So I just went in with a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, just to help the product blend a lot easier whenever I do get started with the blending. And another product I'm gonna go in again with the Mega Conceal. I actually like this concealer. I don't see a lot of people talking about it, but they sent this to me in PR and I actually like it. This is in the shade 06. And I'm just gonna put it like that. And then we're gonna get to blending. Blending is my favorite part of doing makeup. It really is. Like, especially the concealer, you just like, girl, you look good, okay? Next, I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. I'm just going to blend that out. It looks like my video is lagging on here, so hopefully not, because if so, then, girl, I'm going to be sick. But I'm just going to take this beauty sponge and blend everything out. So you guys, please let me know what kind of content you guys will want to see from me. I know that somebody mentioned that I should do like a beginner do's and don'ts video. I think I'm going to include that. You guys are going to be getting an Amazon haul from me very soon. I wanted to do it before the end of October, but that's already passed. So I think I'm going to end up doing it in November. Well, this is November. So I'm going to do it probably like the second week. Probably the second or third week in November is when you guys can expect like an Amazon haul, just things that I like from Amazon, because we know Amazon be taking our coin, especially when this stuff first started. I do want to do more try-on hauls for you guys, because I love try-on hauls, but it's just figuring out a setup and what you guys would want to see, or what everyone would, you know, prefer. How would y'all prefer my setup to be? Because I film from my room. And now I'm just taking my Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Walnut, and I'm just blending it up into the brow. And I'm using this is a shader brush, but I'm not sure how I really like it. But yeah, please let me know what kind of content you guys would want to see from me. I love like watching people's try on hauls, and I love vlogs, but my problem with vlogging is that I don't go anywhere. I don't do anything. So it's like, what would be the purpose? Or why would y'all really sit and watch if I really ain't just doing nothing but at the house? Because that's really where I be at, is at home. I don't go anywhere. So let me know. Give me some ideas so that I can put that into my calendar and get that going. I know you guys, I want to start doing like 3 videos a week. That's a main goal for me right now, is doing 3 videos so I can help build my channel. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty setting powder. You guys know I love me some Huda Beauty. Tell them to add your girl to the PR list. Add your girl to the family, so that so we can get some looks. So now, y'all, I'm going to go in with my setting powder and set my under eyes. Okay, guys, say hello to my struggle brows. Like, they gave me a hard time today. They really did. They gave me a very hard time, but we made it through. Next, I'm going to go in with my True Complexion Black Radiance Contour Kit. You guys know I live by this kit. Black Radiance, if you ever do a campaign, honey, include me, because your girl would love to be a part of it. I love this bronzer because it's affordable. I keep telling y'all it's $6. It's bomb. I'm just using this Huda Beauty bronzer brush because it's clean, respectfully. So yeah, I'm just using that to bronze up the face. that is pretty much like the update with your girl starting a business. Starting a business is not easy, whether it's like you're doing something that you like to do, like makeup or something like that, getting that off the ground, or whether it's, you know, starting a hair business, a makeup line. All of that is just a lot, you know, but I feel like all of this is worth it, you know. Starting your own, having your own is worth it. And also working towards something that you are truly passionate about. If you're working in your field, you know, like after you went to college, that's something that you should be passionate about because you worked hard to get to where you are. I think I'm going to go in with Miss Jackie's palette, the ginger, and I'm going to apply that on the lid a little bit. This look is not going to be dramatic. It's going to be a nice, sultry, soft glam look. Ooh, keep it soft glam, honey. Keep it. It's going to be a nice soft glam look. It's not going to be nothing too much because I'm not into that. So I am going to use this little brush right here. It doesn't have a number. It's so old. But I'm going to go into a little bit of credit and just a little bit of edges just to warm up the look just a little bit. Add a little transition. Get that going. Again, the look is not going to be just crazy. It's going to be nice and pretty. See, just warming up the look. I think that's going to be it for my chit chat because I don't want it to be too long. So the rest of the video we're just going to keep it cute and just continue to do our makeup because I don't want this video to be like an hour long. Take just a little concealer because I don't have my Anastasia setting, my Anastasia eyeshadow primer next to me, so I'm just going to use this concealer just to get the job done. I'm taking my finger to warm everything up onto the lid. So I'm going to take the shade Dwalas. So I'm just taking this, this is just a buffing brush. This is the Madison Beer and Morphe collab, and I'm just taking that and patting it onto the lid. Now I'm going to go in with ginger and credit, and I'm just going to go in on the sides of that shadow just so we can have everything nice and blended and pretty. I'm just going to go into the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and I'm just going into Tempera, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with my blush. It gives you like a little highlight, but not like too much. Now I'm going to line my eyes using the Anastasiabeverlyhills eyeliner, and I'm going to just line my eyes. I'm probably going to do this off camera. Now let me show you guys the lashes. This is my lash box. It's called Shopchelsiejayy. That's the name of my new lash company. So these are the lashes. I haven't gotten a name for them yet. I'm going to show you guys. I haven't come up with a name for this style just yet, but this is like a nice this is a really nice just natural lash for somebody who doesn't want to do a lot, but you still want that glam look. Okay, you still want to give a face all day every day. Let's just put on my lashes. These are the lashes that are going to be on my website that'll be launching soon at Shopchelsiejayy, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram. To line my lips, I'm going to take the MAC Cork lip liner. Next, I'm going to pop a little bit of Crush lipstick. This is by, next I'm going to apply Crush. This is Crush lipstick by Anastasia. So next, I'm going to set my face, and then that'll be it for the look. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. It's really pretty, actually. So I set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I had fun doing this chit chat. Get ready with me. Hopefully you guys learned just a little bit about me. I know I didn't open up like a ton, but hopefully you guys learned a little bit about me. And yeah, don't forget to let me know in the comment section what you want to see in my future videos, because I'm going to be coming out with some more content. I think that's it, you guys. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.